Hey guys, welcome back with another Triple T, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own amazing, marvelous, eye-catching and a professional thumbnail for your YouTube videos. Let's jump right into the video. And guys, the website we're going to use today is PicMaker, which is a product of Animaker. The link will be in the description below. And guys, first what you have to do is sign up to animaker.com from this button right here, and then guys, this page will open up, which is the dashboard. And guys, after you're in the dashboard, as we are going to make a thumbnail today, click on this YouTube thumbnail. Click it, and then it's loading. Untitled profile loading. Yeah, it says loading. And then this page will open up, which is the place where we are creating our thumbnail. There are two possible ways where we can build our own thumbnail. The first one is editing a pre-built thumbnail, which is easy, and the second one is creating our own thumbnail from scratch. I'll be teaching you both of them. So guys, first I'll be teaching you how to edit a pre-built thumbnail, which is easy. First, what you have to do is go to pre-built. This is the icon which is on the top of the page. Click on it, and then guys, you can see many thumbnails which were created by the creator of PicMaker. So guys, you can choose any of these pre-built thumbnails, but for the sake of this video, I'm just going to choose this template, Bad Temper. Are you bad tempered? I guess not. So guys, you might be wondering, how can I edit the text? There's an easy way. You can double click on the text you want to edit, and then type in whatever you want, and then click on the other part of the video, and it's done. And guys, if you want to add a photo or an audio file, simply click on uploads button, which is in the bottom of the page, and then click upload, and then this page will pop up. From here we can choose the photo that we're gonna upload. I'm just gonna use Pikachu. Open, and then save. It may take a few seconds. It depends on your internet connection. No, it's uploaded. Press on it, and then guys, boom! It's on the picture thumbnail we're gonna make. We can edit it, like we can crop it, and then for the sake of this video, I'm not gonna design it, but I'm gonna teach you guys how to do it. And now guys, let's give some beauty to the thumbnail. I'm gonna delete this photo, the angry woman. Okay, just choose it, and then put Pikachu in the corner instead of that bad tempered woman. And then I'm gonna delete this question mark and this temper thing and the bad. Okay, just move Pikachu, and then deleting this one, and then taking Pikachu up here. And then guys, I'm gonna choose another color. You can even choose a custom color by clicking custom color, and then you can choose the color range of the color. And then after you've done that, click on add. Then here's your color. Now I'm going to choose red, and then guys, this text will be red as I chose red. So guys, this is the final result of the thumbnail we just created using the pre-built templates. So guys, now comes the most interesting part of this video. We're gonna make our own custom thumbnail from scratch to beautiful, interesting, eye-catching and a professional thumbnail. To do that guys, first what you have to do is, again, go to the dashboard. You can just close this because we don't need that anymore. And then again, choose another template, YouTube thumbnail. It may take a few seconds to load. As I told you before, it depends on the internet connection. Okay, we don't need it because this is tutorial. We don't need teaching. Okay, so guys, this is a blank template. What you guys have to do is first add a background. You can either add a color to your background or just a gradient. Gradients are these types of colors, which
are half another color, and the other color is another color.
What?
okay. And then for the sake of this video, I'm just going to choose the custom color. I'm just going to make a custom color. Usually my thumbnails are red, so I'm going to choose the red color, and then add, and then red. Boom! See guys, background became red. And guys, if you want to make your own background, what you have to do is again go to the uploads, which is in the bottom of the page as I showed you before, and then choose the photo that you need to convert it to background, and then close. I already had that picture. I'm gonna make the thumbnail of the video that I'll be uploading in the next week, so stay tuned and watch it. Back to the business. Okay then guys, first what you have to do is, if you have a mouse, right click on it, or if you have the trackpad, take your 2 fingers and then tap on the trackpad, and this thing will open up. And guys, as you guys can see, there's a delete option and also convert to BG. This option is needed first, so I'm just going to click it, and then guys, boom, as you guys can see, you can crop it and then just save it. See guys, now this iMovies is the background of this iMovie icon is the background of our template. But guys, I feel like this background is not a good background for a professional and an eye-catching thumbnail. So guys, I'm gonna delete this background, and then my usual color, I'm just gonna choose red as the background. And then guys, you can add a photo to your thumbnail from the upload button, which I showed you before. And then I'm just gonna choose iMovie. Okay. And guys, next I'll be adding text to my thumbnail, which I can do from the text button right here. Click on it, and then guys, there are different text types that I can choose, but I'm just a regular guy, so I'm just gonna choose add bold title, and then I'll be typing my topics to the YouTube video in the thumbnail, and that will be iMovie is maybe okay. iMovies full. Okay, and then I'm going to take another bold title. Tutorial. And then guys, I'm gonna change the color of the letters, white, and this to maybe black. Yeah, black. Black is a good color. So black, and then I'm gonna make this bigger. And guys, now I'm done adding text to my thumbnail. Guys, I think you enjoyed this video and this helped you a lot with creating your own eye-catching professional thumbnail for your YouTube videos. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave a like in this video, and comment down below what should be my next video. And guys, please subscribe, I need them.